What's up, guys? This is Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead, and well, today I've been saving 4.5 months for something I've been wanting for a long time, and today I got it. And here it is. I'll just show it to you real quick. Bought me a Milwaukee tool chest, top and bottom. This here is something I've been needing for a long time. Organize our tools. I don't have a shop, so this is going to go in our house in the area, or spare bedroom, which we call a shop. And I've got a lot of tools that I need to get over here from my father-in-law since he has passed, and we're getting ready to sell his place, and I need a place for storage. We're not building a shop here yet because we're going to be building a new house. And yeah, I'm excited. This thing here is pretty awesome. So the top is an 8-drawer with a large cabinet on top, and then the bottom is a 10-drawer that they stack on top of each other. And each drawer weight will take about 150 pounds, so that's a gazillion pounds in the drawers, right? Yeah. So anyways, it's on wheels. Man, I'm just excited. So we're gonna have a hard time getting this put together because the top weighs over 300 pounds. And you guys see my wife, she's pretty strong, but we'll see how it all works out. May end up using the tractor. So anyways, we're gonna unload this thing, get it put together, then I will show it to you guys a little bit closer. So you may need to kick that down, I don't know yet. Alright, yep. You ready? Faster?
Mom's like, it's heavy.
Very heavy. Alright, hold on a minute. I'm going to pick it up and then you pull that out. And I'll pick it up then.
Is this the top? Yeah. That's what's got to be lifted up onto that. Look. Spazzing out about.
They just have like 2 separate ones.
That's a toolbox.
Uh-huh.
Bless you, Fawn.
I think this should go straight up. Yeah. So we'll do it together. We get out of whack. Can you get behind it? Easy. Go straight up. Suction.
I'm gonna move so I don't like to fall off the ground. Ooh, I want to get in here.
Oh man.
What?
This one I'm not gonna be able to get to.
Have to push it down some.
Yeah.
Guess you can attach. See how it's on the side right there, showing the charger things, and then the spot for your drills and stuff. Let's look at the picture and see.
Yeah, it's right here too.
Yeah. Like those the drills. What are they? And really?
Oh, too short?
Yeah. There. I don't know.
Going faster, woman. Faster.
Pardon my butt crack here.
We'll get 1 million views.
No, not on my butt crack.
Nudity.
1 million views on your butt crack.
Yeah, I can help you.
No,
Help her.
I need my butt crack on.
Yeah, it's that butt crack.
All right, Molly, you go ahead and get out of the way.
Yeah, Molly, come here. Okay.
You're going to have to stop it from rolling like 100 miles an hour.
I gotta stop it.
Well, then here, you get over here.
Get a little weight on that.
Yep. Push on it. Push. Use your body.
I
Just
want
come
to see
in.
it just kind of roll.
Ready? Easy.
I kind of just want to see it to go.
Molly, come back in the
Oh,
box.
yeah.
I don't want you no more.
All right, we got all the little accessories put together, but we need to get this on top of that. This is over 300 pounds, so tomorrow we're going to probably use the tractor and lift it up and put it on top there, but then we still have to get into the house, so I don't know how all that's going to work out. So anyway, so far it's pretty nice. I'm really liking it so far, and I can't wait to put all my tools in there. So anyways, we're gonna finish tackling this tomorrow. Don't let that fork touch that. I want you to have just an air out like that.
Yeah. Now we'll see if we can get in the house.
Hey.
No, it'll look fine right down the porch. Here, I can't get this one, but I don't want to strip that. This one,
Okay.
like that a little bit. And that one loosened a little bit and it lined up.
Uh-huh.
Oh, tools I can put in here.
This is your section. All right, guys, we got the top on, and so I have these lifting straps from the oil field buddies of mine. This is over 300 pounds, just barely, and just with the girls, you know, guiding it into place, we were able to get it on there. But that's just another reason. Hold on a minute, get the sun out of you. Another reason why you need a grapple bucket. So anyways, I just put the lifting straps on this right here. They have a little edge right here, so they just wrap around that. And now, one last thing we got to do is get this into the house. And we've got to go over this brick ledge. So that's the next obstacle. The next obstacle. Can't even say it. The next task. So we're going to look and see how much space Heather gets for her woodworking. So this is an 18 drawer system. Each drawer, again, will hold 150 pounds. I'm thinking that section
What is this?
right there is for her wood section.
Ooh. Already had impact in there.
No, I don't have that many tools. Not yet.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah. So next thing is get it in the house. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it today. We got a lot of things going on.